In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of none of your interior lights on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata working. Most often the problem is just a bad fuse, and the good part is you have a spare fuse in your car. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. It only takes about 2 minutes. Now inside the car, right below the trunk release button is a secondary fuse panel. Take the cover off there. Now first we need to get the fuse holder out that has the interior light fuse. Alright, see that yellow piece over there? That's the fuse holder. It holds two fuses, so we need to get it out. So you need to squeeze it and pull it out. See where I was squeezing on the sides? You need to squeeze and pull the fuse holder out. Now once you get the fuse holder out, we need to get the 10 amp fuse. 10 amp fuse is the one for the interior light. We need to get that fuse out. The way to get it out is just pry it out exactly the way I'm doing it in the video here. Once you get the fuse out, take a close look at the fuse. If you see that metal strip in the middle there, if it's broken, then it's a bad fuse. And the good thing is we have a spare fuse in the car with us. So we just have to go get the fuse and replace it over here. Okay, it's a 10 amp one. The red fuse is the one that we're looking at. Where the driver's left side foot goes, there's the hood release lever there, the sign on it. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Hyundai emblem there, put your hand in there and pull it up. And the hood just opens up, and it's supported by those two rods over there. Now once the hood is open, that is the main fuse box over there. We need to take that fuse box cover off. It's got two clips there. Press them both at the same time and the cover comes off like that. For now, we're just going to take the fuse puller out. See that white plastic tool? That's the fuse puller. Let's get a closer look at how it works. Now once we have the fuse puller with us, we need to get that 10 amp spare fuse. That's the second row from the left and second fuse from the top. You can see it in the diagram over here in the video as well. So get that 10 amp spare fuse out. Now we need to put this fuse in the fuse holder. So let's go ahead and do that. It's very easy. Just follow along as I'm doing over here. Put the fuse in there and press it in place. Make sure it sits properly. Locked now. Okay, now let's put the fuse holder back in the fuse panel, and that should fix your problem of the interior lights not working. Make sure you click the fuse holder back in place, just like that. Once you're done playing around with the fuses, make sure you put the fuse puller back in its place and put the cover back on the main fuse panel. Click it in place. Just bring it down and then slam it shut. That's it.